Alright guys, I just got home from work to my Flatout suspension, coilovers, so we're gonna pop this sucker open and do a little unboxing if I can. It's heavy to carry up the stairs. I struggled, out of breath. Oh, I got another box. Alright, you guys are gonna watch me struggle. I'm not sure if I'm able to lift this. And from the knees. He's gonna give me so much shit for this. Oh my god. Been thinking that I'm gaining strength by working out. But everything's honestly just hard. Life's hard. This is a STI steering rack that I'll be rebuilding on my YouTube channel at some point, so stay tuned for that too. So excited. Oh, they're so fucking beautiful. This guy really had me thinking I was receiving ST coilovers. Bruh. Holy shit, is the Subaru gonna be riding good? Alright, we're gonna cut open this bag. Actually, here, we're gonna unbox the rest, and then I'm gonna talk about what makes these so freaking badass. Oh. I'm gonna install them on Tuesday, I think. Somebody is gonna let me use a lift at their shop because I'm not doing this downtown. Although I did do my current coilovers on hand tools and jack stands. And I kind of just don't want to do that again. Ah, you guys! It's made for me. That just made my entire week, honestly. Alright, we're gonna pop one open and I'm gonna talk about some of the features. Oh my god. I am in awe. Little spanner wrenches, and these are, oh my god, they're like actual quality spanner wrenches. Wow. Spoiled me, guys. Fucking spoiled. And if you didn't see the announcement on my story and on Flatout's account, because you're not following them yet like you should be, they're working with Tanner Faust. So, kind of a company you don't really want to be sleeping on right now. So we're going to dive into what is done to this, or like what these are. So all of the shiny silver stuff that you see is nickel, which is supposed to help with corrosion for like 7 to 10 years. So we have dual rate springs. The small springs are 150 pounds. So the external reservoirs are for more shock oil capacity, which is going to keep the internal temperature cooler. So then my shock piston rod is 22 millimeters instead of the industry standard of 20 millimeters, so it's going to be overall stronger, which is also awesome. And then on this part that connects to the hub, there are 3 braces, and it's going to create like a box, which is just going to be overall stronger, and it's the same as their rally suspension. So overall, I am way too excited to put this on my car. Here is a close-up look. I think that Tuesday I will be installing them, so wait for a video sometime next week. It'll be on my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to that, and of course, please, please, please subscribe to and follow. So I guess we're on Instagram, so follow Flatout Suspension. They have been awesome to work with, and I am super excited to welcome to the team and work with them. And yeah, let's go give them a follow. Thank you guys. Super excited about this.